If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. Now, TextBroker is one of the most popular websites out there for those looking to get paid for writing articles. But lately, right, the big buzz is about ChatGPT. ChatGPT, damn, that's like a tongue twister. Like, a lot of people are using it for all kinds of things online, especially when it comes to writing. So the question is, like, why can't you just use ChatGPT to write your TextBroker articles now? So this makes it easier for even people that's not even real writers. They can start making money on TextBroker. But I mean, is this legal? Like, can you do this? So I did a little research on TextBroker to see what's going on ever since ChatGPT came along. I was even thinking to myself, damn, can't I just go to ChatGPT and just, you know what I'm saying, tell it what to write and just, you know what I'm saying, reword it a little bit and then submit it on TextBroker and make money? Like, can I just do that? So I looked into TextBroker and here's what they said. Check this out. Initially, when ChatGPT came out, they said, like, no, like, don't even think about submitting an article that was written from ChatGPT. Then they actually had an update that said you can use ChatGPT for your articles, but it can't be just a direct, like, you take exactly what ChatGPT says, you just copy and paste it over and then submit it. No, they want you, they say you can use it for like reference points or for creative ideas, inspiration, things like that. But they do not want you just to straight copy and paste. They want you to kind of like, now TextBroker is one of the most popular websites out there for those looking to get paid for writing articles. But lately, right, the big buzz is about ChatGPT. ChatGPT, damn, that's like a tongue twister. Like, a lot of people are using it for all kinds of things online, especially when it comes to writing. So the question is, like, why can't you just use ChatGPT to write your TextBroker articles now? So this makes it easier for even people that's not even real writers. They can start making money on TextBroker. But I mean, is this legal? Like, can you do this? Reword it a little bit and, you know, make it your own before you submit it, you know, to TextBroker, right? Now, here's one more thing that's important. They said you can only do this, you can only use ChatGPT for those clients that say it's okay to use ChatGPT. All right. So a lot of the clients, they'll say, hey, you can use ChatGPT, you know, in this way or whatever, and you have to abide by those rules. Now, personally, I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, if you, I can see where people still would try to use ChatGPT to just create any article, whether the client asks for it or not. So if you're that type of person, hey, TextBroker might be able to track that. Maybe they can, maybe they can't. And you know what I mean? That's on you. But you should know, right, that you can use ChatGPT when it comes to TextBroker, but you can only use it in certain ways. But ultimately, I do think that's very helpful for a lot of people who is looking to make money with TextBroker. Now, I don't know how many clients are actually saying on the website that it's all good to use ChatGPT. I have no clue. But I mean, I do think that's a good thing for writers because it still gives them the opportunity to make money from the site, and it may help them produce more articles if they're able to use something like ChatGPT. All right. So if you are interested in joining TextBroker, all you got to do is go over to textbroker.com, create you an account, and get started making money. But if you want to check out how I'm making money online every single month, you want to check out that first link in the description.